What's going on, future entrepreneurs? I am back with another video. And again, guys, I want to apologize. I've been off for about 2 weeks. I hadn't made a video in about 2 weeks. I've been off and on. I've been looking at different strategies. I've been trying to learn some things, and I haven't been as consistent as I want to be. I've been wanting to drop videos every single day, but I haven't, which I apologize, but I'm going to work on being more and more consistent the more I keep doing it. But let's get into the reason for today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you how to make a quick money online in 1 day for beginners. Okay, and I'm not talking about Shopify. I'm not talking about Amazon. I'm not talking about FBA. I'm not talking about the social media marketing agency, or I'm not talking about affiliate marketing in today's video. Now, I'm going to be making other videos, which my channel is about for those of you who are new here. On the passive income channel, I talk about crypto, I talk about passive income, and I also talk about affiliate marketing. But today is going to be a little bit different, but it's still going to be a make money online video for you guys who are still trying to make money in one single day. Now, I actually had my wife do this strategy when I was home, because I was home a couple of days ago, and the strategy, she did make $700 this week, which is pretty good for her, because she's actually a LPN, or one of those three-letter nurses words, one of those abbreviations I really can't remember, but she's one of those. She applied this strategy while I was home, and she made $700 this last week. And I also wanted to mention that, just to be clear, when you make this money, you may not be able to get it out the next day. You may not be able to have access to it in the next 24 hours. So you will need to be, if you want to use cash, if you want strategy is going to be for cash sales, you're going to have to use this to get cash, which you can do as well. Also, if you watch all the way to the end, I'm going to give you guys a separate strategy as well to give you just another way. So it's going to be just two strategies I'm going to be showing you guys. When I get to the first one in just 1 minute. But the second strategy is going to be a strategy you can use for cash, but you can probably use them both, either way. Okay, now the strategy I'm referring to where you can make quick money online is called Retial Arbitrage. You've probably heard of it. You've probably seen it. You've probably even seen people do it online and show you how to do it. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that on today. And what is Retial Arbitrage? Retial arbitrage is you buying something, or even something that you already have possession of, and you reselling online for a profit. What do I mean? Let's go to Alibaba here, and I'm going to give you guys a quick example of what we call retail arbitrage. Let's see this watch. It may not be as expensive. What you're pretty much doing is buying something low and you selling it at a higher price. That's pretty much all retail arbitrage is. You buy a product, or if you already have a product inside of your home, then you can get that product and you can resell it online for a profit. It's probably going to be used, so it's probably going to be something that you can just resell online on one of these sites and just make a profit. That's pretty much all retail arbitrage entails, but I want to give you guys a quick example of a product that you can use. And let's see, it's taking a minute to load. Alibaba Workspace. I hadn't been to Alibaba in a while. This is something that a lot of guys use for drop shipping. I don't do drop shipping, but this is kind of like what retail arbitrage is. But I'm not talking about drop shipping. I'm not talking about setting up a Shopify store. I'm not talking about doing the Amazon FBA strategy as well. This is just a quick example on what you can do with retail arbitrage. As you can see right here, there's a lot of things on Alibaba that you can buy. And let's go ahead and go, so I don't go too far down, since my internet is not as fast. Just look at this watch right here. It looks like a smartwatch. What you can do is you can take this smartwatch. You can buy it on here. It says it's $1.25 plus $7.47 shipping and handling. So a total of about $10 here. So you can buy this one watch, and you can take this watch. You can go to Amazon. You can go to Facebook Marketplace. You can go to Craigslist. You can go to a lot of sites like the Let Go site. There's a lot of sites out there like that. You can go to Mercari, and you can resell it for about $15 to $20, and you make a profit. That's pretty much all retail arbitrage is. It's when you buy something low and you resell it high, and you make yourself a profit, or you just buying it, you selling, and you plan on making a profit sometime in the near future. Now, the strategy that I'm referring to that I mentioned a little bit earlier in the video is pretty much what you're going to do is find some things you have around the house, and you're going to go and look around on Facebook Marketplace. You're going to go to Mercari. You're going to go to Let Go. You're going to find some sites where you can resell that item for profit. So it's going to be 100% profit for you if you can find items around your house. And the reason why I'm saying this is a great strategy and why you should do it is because right now a lot of people are we're kind of hurting right now because of the economy, because of the inflation, because of gas prices. So everybody more than likely has something around the house that they can resell, maybe even a TV, depending on how desperate you are, depending on how bad you need the money, depending on what you need the money for. If you need to get food, if you need to get, you know, something just to keep yourself going until you get your next check, I would say go into your closet, go into your cupboards, go somewhere and try to find something that you can resell and make profits on. Now, it's going to have to be something that's kind of valuable. If you have an old cell phone, if you have a tablet, if you have a laptop that you're not, I'm saying things that you're not using or things that you're willing to let go of, and things that you're not going to want back, or something that's old, or something, well, not old, but something that you can, that's worth something. Maybe you have some purses, maybe you have some shoes, maybe you have some old socks, maybe you have something that's vintage, maybe you have some books. You can even sell books online. There's going to be another strategy that may take a little bit longer, but that's another strategy that you can use to make money online fast. And that's pretty much the strategy I want to talk to you guys about. And the second strategy that I want to talk to you guys about, it's pretty much the exact same thing, but it's a different way. So you're going to need a little bit of money to use this particular strategy, but it does work. I've done it myself. I hadn't done it in a while, but I'm pretty sure the strategy still works because of the climate of today. That strategy is the retail arbitrage, but you can go to the thrift stores, you can go to Walmart, and what you're pretty much going to be doing is you're going to be buying items, you're going to be reselling them in those same exact spaces, the ones I just mentioned, the Facebook Marketplace, the Letgo, the Macaras. You probably even use it on eBay. Here's a site called Offer, where you see people selling Nike Air Force. Somebody selling a refrigerator, it's like a refrigerator. Somebody selling I don't know what that is. A car is probably for even the dealerships are using these sites. So a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. But as you can see, it's in different cities and states. PlayStation 5, a refrigerator, bathroom vanities, an old washer and dryer. As you can see, they're selling pretty much any and everything on these sites because people are trying to get a little. Now, if I was in the area and it's something that I would be able to use, you can buy a F550 diesel box truck. You can buy an iPhone. You can buy a queen, looks like a bed with the headboard. It's another iPhone, a drill, a stove, more shoes or TVs. You can see this plenty. If you even if you don't have any examples of what you can sell, if you don't think you have something you can sell, you can come to these sites and you can check it out to see what people are selling. Is a vanity mirror. Here's a car. It's more likely a dealership. Silverado fender. As you can see, is another phone. Things you can see just on the first page is phones, shoes, and what else? You see phones, you see shoes, and you see TV. So these are three common things that you see on this particular site. So that will be something that if you have, most people probably do. Or if you want to sell something outside of that, you have slippers here, you have a table here, you have a dresser. But also keep in mind, if you want to get cash, this is the strategy I was talking about, where you can get cash the same day. But you're gonna have to be careful when you're talking to people that you don't know. Make sure you're meeting them in a safe place. Make sure you're nobody's trying to scam you, because there are people who want to try to scam you on these sites. That's it. That's all, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on what you can do to make quick money online in the next 24 hours, which is, this strategy is absolutely can do that, but it's going to depend on what you have. It's going to depend on the product you have. It's going to depend on how in demand that product is. That's it. That's all, guys. I'm going to be creating more videos, maybe not like this, but I'm going to be doing more affiliate marketing, probably even network marketing with the crypto, and also whatever I can get to show you guys to make money online. That's it. That's all. This is the Passive Income Trucker. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these type of videos. I am out.